Friends, once an ape ran to kill a cat and its child, but the mother of the child started running away with the child. While running, she fell into a ditch. The child's mother was not found, but the fallen kitten was found by a rabbit in the forest. The rabbit took the kitten with him, took care of the kitten, and also fed it. One day when both of them went for a walk in the forest, the kitten started crying loudly after seeing its mother who had died. Seeing this, the rabbit dug a pit and buried its mother, but her child was still crying.